complete replacement of the A panel on both sides and underneath here. Complete replacement and welding to the sides, but all made good everywhere, right the way round, and cleaned. Rear wings, inner rear wings all redone on both sides. New seatbelt mountings. And shock bumpers. New section. All cleaned and done. Internal repairs in the boot and round the back. All in, reinforcing. Reinforced battery box, and all underneath completely redone, and the underside repaired. New section underneath. This is the front of the rear wing, all stiffened and repainted, re-welded, and the same in the back on both sides.